Are you gonna videotape it?
I might.
Please?
Can you try it again?
Okay, back up, bud.
Back up, back up, back up. Oh yes, does that feel weird? Ooh, it's a lump. Ew!
What is it he doesn't like about pens?
I don't know. He likes moving them.
Come back. Come back, my little son.
Come on.
Back here. Get that pen out of there. Yeah, just get him. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Take pen. Oh, where's the pen? Oh, yes. Move it. Oh, yes.
See, we should get him to do that and then put it on AFV. Seymour, what do you think about homework? No, like, we'll bring out a whole bunch of supplies. A pen. And all that kind